Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 96 of Surah Al-Maida and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أحل لكم صيد البحر وطعامه for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound of Hamza is sharp. Hil, ha from your throat with hums. For Kasra, give E sound attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of Tawassut. Hil, la. For Fatha upon your jaws. Uhilla, la. Both Lams should be in a straight, same length. Kum for Dhamma, circle your lips attached with me. Me will get sifa of tawassut, and your lips should be in a straight position when you will touch me. Kum, but you will not stretch them behind. Okay, don't pull them, but just finish the signs of Dhamma. Like don't circle your lips, and when your lips should be your lips are in a straight position, these are good for me. Kum, slay, for fatha upon jaws attached with ya, swad is heavy. And this is lean, so you're making it 2 counts long. And you're making it 2 counts long, and you're making it soft because this is lean. Whenever there is waw and ya with sukoon, and there is fatha before it, these 2 letters are called lean. This is waw lean and this is ya lean. These are 2 counts long and these are soft. Saydul for Dhamma, circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bah for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rukhawa, and it should be from your throat. Bahri for kasra, give e sound. This ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ri wa for waw, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ta is heavy. Ta, wa, dod, and sad. These are huruf itbaq. Whenever you are pronouncing them, you are pasting your tongue up to the palate. This is itbaq. Ta, qa, a, ain from your throat. Make it 2 counts long. Mu for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Hu, 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Ta, 2 counts long. Al, ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws attached with lam. This is idgham without gunna, so there should not be any gunna sound here. Al, la for fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut, and sifa is idhar. Your lips should be in a straight position when you are pronouncing meme. Huwa for makhraj of waw, circle your lips, fatha upon jaws. Lis for kasra, give e sound attached with sin. Sin get sifa of rokhawa, and it has safid, and it is light. Lisay for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Here you're giving a nabar, and nabar is jump up sound. When you're attaching sin with ya, here you're giving nabar. Say, yeah, 2 counts long. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. This time marbuta is always changed into ha when we stop on it. So it is ha now, and it will get sifa of rakhawa when you will stop on it. Ra. مخرج الواو, circling your lips for fatha and jaws. Hud for dhamma, circle your lips attach it. Ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Hudri for kasra, give e sound. Ma for fatha and jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha and jaws. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. kum for dhamma circular lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut, and your lips should be in a straight position when you will touch mim. Slay, so this heavy, and this is 2 counts long because this is yailin, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Dul for dhamma circular lips attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Berry for fatha upon jaws attached with raw. Raw will be light because there is kasra on it. Berry ma 2 counts long. Dum for the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. Dum for the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut. And your lips should be in a straight position when you will touch meme. Huruma, hu for the circle ellipse. Oru, ra will be heavy and circle ellipse or ra. Ma, 2 counts long because this is mad error. You're exchanging the sound of the noon into mad letter. So it will be 2 counts long now. Huruma, what? Makhraj wow, circling your lips, put up and jaws attached with ta. As you will touch ta, your lips should be in a straight position. And ta is shadid letter. There is no flow of sound. What ta for top on jaws. Allah. Off is heavy for dhamma circle lips. Lips jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it. Allah, Allah. 2 counts long. And it is heavy. Hal for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam you get zip off the wasat. La for fatha open jaws. The 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. E for kasra give E sound. Lay, yailin. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Lay, he for kasra give E sound. Tuh for dhamma circle lips. As you will touch ha will get sifa of rokawa and it should be from your throat and your lips should be in a straight position. Tuh and saying to make the lips straight does not mean that you have to stretch back. You're not stretching it back, but you are just removing the effects of dhamma. That's it. Tuh sha'urun. Giving tawassut on noon because there is temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. This is madarat lisakun. أحل لكم صيد البحر وطعامه متاعا لكم وللسيارة وحرم عليكم صيد البر ما دمتم حرما واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون. Jim is shadid letter for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Law. This lam will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law. It will be 2 counts long. Hul. For the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is not that long at all. This is tawassut. Hul. Ka. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and should be from your throat nicely. Ba for fatha upon jaws. Tel for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bay. This is yailin. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Tel for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium blob sound. Ha from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy. And make it 2 counts long. Whenever ra is with fatha, the might is heavy. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Qi, qaf is heavy. For kasra give E sound. It will be comparatively light because there is kasra on it. Qi, yeah. Yeah, it's soft letter, make it 2 counts long. Mel, this is gone without gunna. So don't keep the sound in your nose at all. Melli. Okay. Qiyamal. Then this lam is attached with noon. Noon will get sipa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lin. Then it is 2 counts long. Na. Si. For kasra give E sound. Wash. For wow. Makhraj of wow. Circling your lips. For fatha open jaws attached. Chin. Chin will get sipa of rakhawan. Tawashi. Wash. It should not be too long, okay? Wash. So for top on jaws, attach it. Ha will get sipa of rokawa. Roll. For raw is heavy for top on jaws, attach it. Lam will get sipa of the wasut. Ha from your throat for top and jaws. Raw is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ma for top and jaws. Well, makhraj of wow is circling your left for top and jaws, attach it. Lam will get sipa. Tawassut. Well, هادئ ففتح open jaws attach it. Dal get صفة of قلقلة and قلقلة is تباعد. هادئ yeah ففتح open jaws. Well, مخرج of wow circling your lips فتح open jaws attach it. لام will get صفة of توسط. قا is heavy ففتح open jaws. لا مد متصل واجب so make it 4 counts long. إيد for kasra give E sound attached with dal will get sipa of qalqala because you are giving sakun on dal because of the waqf. So this bring qalqala on it. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give E sound. Ta. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sipa of the wasut and it should be from your throat nicely. La for fatha open jaws. Moo for dhamma, circle lips and make it 4 counts long because this is munfasil jaiz. Moo. It should be totally in your mouth, not in your nose. And Hamza is sharp, but open jaws attach it. Noon will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, noon is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now, 2 counts long. For fatha open jaws. Yeah. Yeah, it's soft for fatha open jaws attach it. Ain should be from your throat and should have tawassut. Yeah. La for fatha open jaws. Mu for the circular lips. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Peace for kasra give E sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rokawa and safid and it is light. This for fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Wa 2 counts long. And make sure you circle your lips to pronounce wow. T for kasra give E sound. Wa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Feel for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and make sure tawassut is not too long. Feel out. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Li and give the wasat on ra, make sure. And li dot is heavy for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Li with itbaq. And wa for wow, the makhraj of wow is circling your lips for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. And Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with noon gets sifa punna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, keep noon light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now, law 2 counts long. Ha for fatha open jaws. B for kasra give E sound. Kul for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Kul li for kasra give E sound. Shay. This is yailin, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. شيء. This is إظهار and ruling إظهار and صفة التوسط. In عين from your throat for فتح upon jaws. ليم. Because of the verb, you're giving sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat للسكون. جعل الله الكعبة البيت الحرام قياما للناس والشهر الحرام والهدي والقلائد ذلك لتعلموا أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأن الله بكل شيء عليم. اعلموا. How we figure out to give a haraka on this hamzatul wasl. So you will count, simply you will count 3 letters, 1, 2, 3. Third letter is lam. So if it has fatha or kasra, it will get kasra. And if it has dhamma, so give dhamma. So simply if you say that if third letter has dhamma, give dhamma, otherwise kasra. This rule is easy. So we are giving kasra here because there is fatha on lam. Yeah, and ayn will get sifa of tawassut, and ayn should be from your throat. Yeah, la for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Mu 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. And hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attach it. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nallah. Noon is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, and it is 2 counts long. Ha for fatha upon jaws. Sh for fatha upon jaws. D 2 counts long. Dul for the circle lips attach it. Lam will get sifa of the wasl. Dul, ayn from your throat for kasra, give e sound. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Iqabi, wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips for top on jaws. An hamza is sharp. For noon, give akmal gunna. No. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now, law, it is 2 counts long too. Ha for fatha upon jaws. Gha, ghain is heavy for fatha upon jaws. And ghain, kha, and qaf are the munfatiha letters. So the sound should be very clear. Gha, ghafu, fu for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Urur. This is idgham. Urur, ra. Both ra are heavy. And for this fatha, open your jaws. Rahim. Because of the waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat للسكون. يعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب وأن الله غفور رحيم. Ma, two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Law, lam is light. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on ra. Law, ra for fatha upon jaws. Su for the circular lips, make it two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Il for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Lal. توسط للبلاغ. Ba is light, lam is light, but ghain is heavy. Ghain will get sifa of rukhawa and it is heavy. And make sure this is munfatiha too, so the sound should be very clearly heard. Balagh. Wallahu. Wow, circle your lips for the makhraj of wow. For fatha upon jaws attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallahu. For the ma circle your lips, the sound is short. Yeah. Keep ya light. For fatha upon jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa off. The wasut and ain should be from your throat. Yeah. La. For fatha upon jaws. Mu. For the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Tube. For the ma circle lips attached with ba, ba will get sipa off. Qalqala and keep the ba light. Tube. Do, two counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Ma, two counts long. Tak, for fatha upon jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa off. Hams. Tak, two for the circle ellipse. Moon. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is called madarat al-sukun. ما على الرسول إلا البلاغ والله يعلم ما تبدون وما تكتمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.